What's going on, YouTube? How is everybody doing out there? Hope everybody's doing well. Take a look, guys. We got the Air Jordan 3 Pure Whites on deck. We're about to get into a little review. Not too much to talk about. You know, it's an all-white shoe, man. These released on July 21st. But yeah, man, big shout out to my bro Holy Sneaks. All his information be in the description below. If you guys looking to get some kicks, hit up my bro Holy. Let's get straight into these bad boys. Show you guys what they look like on feet. Let me know if you like them on feet. If you don't like them, you know, let me know in the comments, all that good stuff. Also, subscribe to the channel. Hit that thumbs up. Don't forget, hit the notification bell. All that good stuff. As for quality of the shoe, is very nice. I must say, the leather is on point. Just like all your regular threes that released this year. When I push down, you know, real soft. Now, the elephant print on the front of the shoe is a little like grayish, kind of whitish, you know what I'm saying? All white tumble leather on the front of the toe box. You got your white laces going up on the tongue. You got your white stitched in Jumpman with the tumble leather on the tongue also. Does come with the hang tag. This is pretty cool. You got your Jumpman with the air and all clear hang tag. Very, very nice, you know what I'm saying? Something different. Take a look at the medial side, same as the lateral. You got your tumble leather upper with your white on the midsole, air bubble unit clear. Take a look at the back. You got your all white in the back with the white Jumpman, white air, everything white. Inside you got white inner sole, sock liner, and white. Bottom all icy with your Jordan right there. I had to pick these up. Definitely a fan of the threes. Think they're really nice and clean. Summertime fine, you know what I'm saying? Definitely a dope shoe. Let you guys see what they look like on feet right now. Don't forget, hit that thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Got more videos to come. Air Jordan 3 Pure Whites on deck. Let's get into this on feet. It's your boy Diaz Dan, and I'm gone.
That slick mix, nigga. That secret sauce, nigga. Oh, yeah. Oh, I know. Where'd you go? I've been looking for you. I know we ain't seen in a minute. I know we ain't speak in a minute. Where'd you go? I want you to know. I know we ain't freak in a minute. I know we ain't meet in a minute. Yeah. What's up? Look, sipping on this drink got me moving all slow. It got me thinking about you. Girl, you don't understand how I want to. Speak about the dirty things that I want to. Yeah, where you been at? I ain't seen you in the club, where your friends at? Heard you been a good girl, and you dead that. So I gotta go dumb in a minute, girl. I know we ain't seen in a minute. I know we ain't speak in a minute. I know we ain't freak in a minute. I know we ain't mid in a minute. I just had to live for a minute. A nigga had to live for a minute. You let a nigga breathe for a minute. Now this liquor got me sitting here thinking you been in your feelings. Yeah, you been in your feelings. You been in your feelings. You posting on your Instagram like you don't need a man. Your feelings. You been in your feelings. You been in your feelings. Heard you on to the next, so I'm hitting up your text like fuck that nigga. Like fuck that nigga. Like fuck that nigga. You on to the next, so I'm hitting up your text like fuck that nigga. Like fuck that nigga. Fuck that nigga. Heard you on to the next, so I'm hitting up your text like fuck that nigga.